What is up? It's me again. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing again of something that I've been wanting for a long time as well, and it's this. This is actually with my very own pressure washer. Man, I feel so blessed, man, because I didn't know when it was going to happen, but God has provided. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, my first pressure washer. My cherry has officially been powered. Without further ado, let's get to it. First, I have to get the power in it. Oh, yeah. Scared. Zoom and zoom. First, we got the instruction manual. We got the little pump so you can do your car wash and stuff. Oh, cool. It brings its own. I thought I had to use my own, which is right there. I got them some sort, probably to put it on the wall. This is for the front, I believe. I don't know. And let's see the actual gun. I mean, I'm gonna be like, yo, what's... Someone saying. This is the gun, right? Yo, who wants this pressure washer, dog? $5. Or else, homie. It comes apart. I thought it came all together. Like, what's going on? This is the tip. That's too easy. You have the actual hose. The hose and oil. They break easily, you know what I'm saying? Well, I don't know what it is. But them hoses ain't low, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to get back up, you know what I'm saying? Tuesdays. And then we have the mother load right here. The actual pressure washer from Harbor Freight. So that is it. This is the actual baby right here. Let me see that. Man, my very own pressure washer. Oh man, God is good, boys. God is good. Has always a rolly thingy so you can roll it everywhere. Everywhere. It's not that heavy. Fits everywhere. Now this, I don't know. What is this? Jesus. I hate flies, man, like with a passion. Get it right here so I can smack the crap out of it. This is unreal, man. but God is good. Let's get to installing this and using it for the first time. We are going to clean the engine bay of the G35. Let's get to it.